The Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, finally feeling nice and fall-like out there. Cloudy skies, temperatures in the 60s, but those clouds will be clearing out shortly from west to east during the course of the overnight period. Maybe some lingering clouds in the morning, but after that, smooth sailing for Friday into the weekend. And a look back at those storms. They came through hot and heavy last night as expected. Tornado watches, a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. In fact, much of Acadiana under severe thunderstorm warnings from Vermilion, Acadia, and all the way up through St. Landry Parish westward. But the storms weakened a little bit as they moved through the St. Lafayette Parish, portions of St. Martin Parish as well. And that was certainly good news because it was busy. By the last count, 144 reports of wind damage or high winds with those storms last night, regionally from Texas through Louisiana, Arkansas, and then off to the north and east as well. 11 tornadoes, and those numbers probably going up. National Weather Service still conducting surveys up toward the Alexandria area and then all the way up through the Trout area, Ball area, Alexandria, Pineville. I think as you saw that video earlier, maybe an EF2 tornado greater than 113 mile-per-hour winds. As we go into southwest Louisiana, a couple of reports of tornadoes, one south of Carlos and one just south of the 210 loop on the south side of Lake Charles. Both EF1 tornadoes, which is anywhere between 73 and 112 mile-per-hour winds. So some intense weather and some wind damage for sure. Locally, just some tree limbs, a few trees down. Got a report of a tree down in the Fernwood subdivision. But overall, we kind of dodged a bullet with respect to severe weather because there were plenty of dynamics in place. And because the storms moved along as expected, about 2 to 3 inches of rain. Some of the hot spots, southwest Louisiana, most of us catching between 1.5 inches and about 2.5 inches of rainfall. And we could take that, so no flooding problems this morning. That was certainly good news, and it'll be dry for a while. By the way, this rainfall product also available on KATC.com, and you can access through that through both the news and KATC weather apps. Temperatures this morning, 60s, mid-60s. Look how they did not change throughout the day today. It's been a little bit cooler to the north. Temperatures topping out at about 68 this afternoon, officially lower 70s. That was the temperature after midnight. 63 right now in Lafayette, but cooler off to the north and west. And we're going to be heading down into the upper 40s to lower 50s tonight. Those clouds scouring out. There might be some renegade clouds first thing in the morning. If you see that, don't let it get you down. They're going to burn off, and we're going to be a mostly sunny and cool day with temperatures right around the lunchtime area, approaching the low to mid 60s. It looks like the graphics has stopped right here, but trust us, they will be getting milder throughout the day. And as we head into Saturday as well, looks very good as well. So temperature wise tonight, we're heading into the mid to upper 40s for your low. Mid 40s, say Highway 190 on northward, feeling really good. Mid to upper 40s I-10 corridor will go 49 in Lafayette, and mid to upper 40s coastal parishes a little bit milder right by the coast where temperatures lower 50s, Morgan City back through Cameron. So after that cool start, a mild finish, and if you're in the sun, it's going to feel pretty warm out there, warmer than the 66 degrees as those winds will be diminishing late tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night will favor upper 40s to lower 50s through Saturday morning, so another nice and cool one. I love it when we don't need the air conditioner nor the heater, and that's where we're going to be over the next couple of days. Mid-70s for your high Saturday, a little bit warmer on Sunday with rain chances returning, we think. We'll talk more about that more extensively coming up tonight at 10. So feeling good out there tonight, breezy and cooler. Those clouds begin to clear and thin out. 49, 50 the low in Lafayette. Then tomorrow, beautiful TGIF, mostly sunny and pleasant conditions and a nice breeze at least early in the day. Those winds diminishing. They'll turn from the north to the west tomorrow afternoon. As we go down the line, temperatures mid-70s Saturday, 77 on Sunday, but we are going to see scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm, and rain chances. If you look at the Euro model, maybe about 40%, but the GFS model 70 to 80%. So right now we can't crack any yolks about the big giant omelet festival in Abbeville, but it looks to be a good Saturday, Sunday, maybe some shower activity, so the eggs might be a little moist as you go into Sunday. So we'll see on that.
I don't like them runny like that, Rob.
Well, some people do, though.
I guess so.
A little salt fixes everything.
Sure does. Thanks, Rob.